Okay, question number 10. Consider the function f of x for x plus 2 over x minus 2. X is not 2. X cannot be 2. Sketch the graph of fx. On your sketch, indicate the values of any x-intercepts, any axis-intercepts, and label any asymptote with their equations. This is the requirement. So this function here, I can express it as f of x equal denominator x minus 2, just leave it there. You can put another x minus 2 on the numerator and times 4 to make it same as equation 4x minus 8 now. So to make it 2, make plus 10 over here. This is same equation, and this can be because x is not 2, we can express this one is 4 plus 10 over x minus 2. So let's graph of this one. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. We can graph the vertical asymptote first. This is vertical asymptote x equal 2. Horizontal asymptote is y equals 4. 4 should be around here. This is y equal 4. So because the this number is positive, that means the graph is located at fourth and third quadrant like this. So this one should go like this. Another one is third quadrant, covering x-axis and y-axis touching. So when x equals 0, y equals -1, right? So passing -1 over here. When y equals 0, x equals -1 over 2. So it's -1 over 2. It's passing this way, these 2 points. So it should go like this. Okay, write down the range of f. Range of fx is pretty much covering all real number except y equal 4. The range cannot be 4. So I'm going to write down the range of f, which is fx range. It's going to be all real number, but fx y cannot be which number? 4. Consider the function gx, which is quadratic function with the highest degree coefficient is plus. The graph of g has an axis of symmetry at x equal 2. Because this is quadratic function, this graph here should look like something like this, because it's 1, because the coefficient of highest degree is plus 1. An axis of symmetry is over here. This is when x equals 2. So 2 roots of gx is 0. 2 roots of gx equals 0 are -1 over 2 and p, where p is a rational number. P is actually not rational. This is rational number. So show that p equal 9 over 2. So g of x can be expressed because 2 roots are like this, and the highest degree is here is just 1. We can start with just x plus 1 over 2. So this one makes a root of -1 over 2. Another one make a root of p, so we can put x minus p over here. And then we can expand this one, will become x squared plus minus p plus 1 over 2 of x minus p over 2. This one should be same as this number, x squared plus bx plus c. So, and the other fact over here, axis of symmetry when x equal 2. So axis symmetry happens when the gradient becomes 0. So g prime of x equals 2x plus b. So when this one becomes 0, the x value will be the axis of symmetry. So x equals minus b over 2. This one happens when x equals 2. So b must be -4. So entering this value over here, so this one becomes x squared negative 4x plus c. So now it's clear that you can see minus p plus 1 over 2 must be negative 4. So p goes on the right side and negative 4 goes left side. 1 over 2 plus 4. So p becomes 9 over 2. Find the b and value of c. B, we already got b equals what? B equals negative 4. Negative 4, right? So value of c. C equals, as you see clearly here, c is negative p over 2. So c is negative p is 9 over 2, so negative 9 over 2 divided by 2 equals negative 9 over 4. This is c value. Find the coordinate of the vertex, y coordinate of the vertex of the graph. So y coordinate vertex happens when f of x when x equals 2. Find the f of 2 is y coordinate. So f of 2 is 2 squared plus b. B was negative 4 times 2 plus c. C was negative 9 over 4. This value is the answer. So 4 minus 8 minus 9 over 4 equals 4 as a denominator. This is negative 4, so it's negative 16 over here, negative 9. So this one becomes negative 25 over 4. The last question is find the product of solutions of the equation fx equals gx. So fx is this function, 4x plus 2 over x minus 2. 4x plus 2 over x minus 2 equals x minus 2 equals g of x, which is this function here, right? Or just this function here. You can write this one, x squared minus 4x. C was negative minus 9 over 4. So find the product of solutions of the equation. You don't have to get all the solutions. All you need is coefficient of highest degree and then constant term, right? So in this equation, x cannot be 2. So 2 is not a solution, right? So we can multiply both sides with x minus 2. And left hand side becomes 4x plus 2. Right hand side becomes x squared minus 4x minus 9 over 4. Everything multiplied by x minus 2. So all you need a coefficient of highest degree, which is these two make, right? So in this equation, the product of all roots are minus 1 to the highest degree power, which is third power of x, cubic equation. Coefficient of highest degree, these two makes, which is 1. And coefficient of the constant, which is constant term, we can multiply these two, will make a constant term of 9 over 2. And then these two come here will be negative 2. So this one become 2, 9 minus 4, which is 5 over 2. So 5 over 2. This is the product of all roots, which is negative 1 times 5 over 2 will make minus 5 over 2. That's it.